Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Okay, YouTube, welcome. This is the Velvet Locks with a recipe video. Today I will be making a nice lemon ginger detox tea, and this is very nourishing, replenishing for the body. And let's begin. Okay, first we're going to start off by grating our ginger. We're going to use a piece of ginger, so I'm going to toss it in there. I'm going to shred the ginger, and after that I'll show you what to do. Bullet. Alright, that's wonderful. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take it off. Whew. And there we go, our shredded ginger. So I'm going to put that inside of the bowl here. Try to get as much as possible. I should be using a spatula. Okay, so we have our shredded ginger. In the meantime, I have my water on the stove boiling. I'm going to pour and put it aside so we can get all of the goodies out of that when it's time. So while it's doing that, so we're going to use 2 lemons already washed. Just always make sure you wash your fruits before you use them. So we're going to put that inside the container, and we're going to do the same for the other one. Okay, and cut that also up into slices. It's a simple recipe. All right, so we got our lemons inside our container. Okay, so basically what I started doing, I'm making a ginger and lemon detox tea, and this is really good for flushing your, getting those extra toxins out, getting rid of the fat. Just a nicer and healthier way for you to be able to get also that water intake in. But there's so many wonderful benefits of the lemon and ginger combination. So I started off the video already where I used my NutriBullet to shred the ginger. Okay, I used like a ginger piece about, say, 3 inches to 2.5 to 3 inches. I sliced the lemons. I used 2 whole nice medium-sized lemons. So what I did was slice those up and I put them in my pitcher. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to strain the ginger. Okay, so I got my strainer, and I'm going to put it over the pitcher. I'm going to pour it inside the pitcher. And I'm going to try to do this as carefully as possible because I don't want this strainer to move and fall on the floor. Now I had this thing on the side for about a good 20 minutes. Alright, so we have our solution with the ginger and the lemon water mixed together. Now what I'm going to do is fill up the rest of the pitcher with Poland Spring, distilled water, whatever you have, it's fine. And show you exactly what it looks like after that. Okay, so I filled up the rest of the pitcher with some Poland Spring water. Let it for 24 hours, and I want the juices and all the nutrients from the lemons deep in the water. So that's why I'm leaving it for at least 24 hours. So that I can get all the goodies out of it. Now, I mentioned that I wanted to put cinnamon in this, and I'm doing this because cinnamon has a lot of great health benefits as well as a detoxing for your body. But I'm going to put like a tablespoon of cinnamon into my solution. So here's a tablespoon of cinnamon, and I'm just going to add it into my lemon ginger water and just mix it. Okay, Now it's gonna look kind of gooky because the cinnamon is kind of like separating from it. I probably would recommend you do this in the boiling water, so this way it has a better chance of actually blending in properly, where you won't see so much of the cinnamon floating around in the water. But you're just going to mix this in really good. And the cinnamon is going to give it a nice flavor. And then you just leave it in your refrigerator for 24 hours. You can drink this in the morning. You know, this is a really nice, refreshing way of adding water in your body, as well as flushing out all of the toxin to eliminate out of your body. So yes, I'm also going to list the benefits and why it's good to add these ingredients and what they do for your body as far as cleansing it. And for those that may feel that the Brags might be a little harsh in the morning time, this could be a great substitute for drinking that first morning drink. All right, so there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your detox tea is very beneficial for you. So thanks so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe at the bottom, share this video with a friend, give me my 2 thumbs up, and leave a comment for your sis. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for joining me. Family, this is the Velvetox coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it. And like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below.